Hey guys, it's Megan. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to paint these Mylar letter/number balloons that I've been seeing everywhere lately. Since my birthday's coming up, I figured it was appropriate. For this project, you'll need two colors of paint, white and whatever base color you want your balloon to be. You guys know that my favorite color is purple, so that's what I used for the base. You'll also need a few paintbrushes in various sizes, and of course something to paint on. First, look up a reference image to base your balloons off of. I used this set from Amazon, but definitely look around to find balloons you like. This next part is optional, but I imported my reference image into the Autodesk Sketchbook app on my iPad and used the color picker tool to help me visualize what colors I needed. I was able to break it down into about 4 different colors. For the actual painting, first sketch out your letters or numbers in bubble letters. I chose the number 22 because, believe it or not, your girl's getting old. Plus, my birthday's October 22nd. And I have no idea why I felt the need to mention this, but Taylor Swift's Red album came out on my 15th birthday, which has the song 22 on it, and when I heard that song, I was like, yes, this is my Instagram caption in 7 years, and honestly, I didn't expect to live the song, but here we are, so we're doing it. Anyways, once the numbers are sketched out, mix together 4 parts of white paint with 1 part of your colored paint, and fill in the numbers. Next, take some purple paint that isn't mixed with anything and fill in the darker areas of the balloon. A lot of this is dependent on your reference photo, so make sure to study the photo and block the color as you see it. Mix 2 shades of paint that are in between the lightest and darkest shade and fill in more of the details. Again, this is really dependent on your reference photo, but it's okay if you don't get the colors exactly right. While that dries, use a small brush to outline the balloon. Look at your photo to see where the line should be smoother and where it should be more bumpy. At this point, your balloon should look something like this. Now the balloon can really start to come to life. Use some white paint and a small paintbrush and highlight any of the lighter areas. I focused on creating blocks of white where there were more prominent highlights and smaller strokes where it's a bit more subtle. When the highlights are finished, use the same small brush dipped in plain purple paint to add the wrinkles in the balloon. At least on the image I referenced, these were pretty prominent. Don't forget to add the lines inside of the curves as well. When you're finished painting, you should have something that looks like this. I ended up painting all of the numbers to prepare for this video, and I turned them into stickers that are available on my new Redbubble shop. I have a Teespring store, but I decided to put these on Redbubble so I could turn them into a sticker sheet. These would be perfect to add on birthday cards, or really for any occasion. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. They are all @WellerMegs. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!